A key part of the coalition event today was really bringing together leadership from across the industry, and by which I mean not just the pharmaceutical industry, but really the ecosystem around the pharmaceutical industry, and really encouraging and motivating an open dialogue between those clients and the vendors.
When you have a coalition, you realize that maybe your processes are more similar than you think. We routinely have calls with some of our people in other locations and with other companies talking about similar problems and how are they resolving them. It is really, really value added.
I think the coalition is hugely important to the way that we bring the industry together to collaborate. It started out as just technology, and that's what brought the initial clients into the coalition, but through conversations with them, we've expanded the purpose to include process change, data standards, and other things that really all come together to drive an outcome.
Two key topics that I heard today that really reinforce the opportunity that we're all facing here together. The first topic was around the ecosystem. And really, I think for the first time, the light's going off for many people in the audience around what the potential is there to really drive innovation, to really encourage small startup companies to play at the same level playing field as very large technology providers. That was quite motivating, quite exciting, I think, for people. The second was the discussion many times through the day around the challenges of going from multiple POCs to scale. And that was really at the heart of the challenge for many of our clients and also many of the providers, and really having a good rich discussion around how are we going to address that going forward.
There are great ideas and innovation between not only our partner with Accenture or others, but also within the industry. So it's a really important thing you're doing. But generally, what we want to be able to accomplish is how do we work with partners in a more value-added way? And that was one we wanted to really focus on. As we move into more and more complex trial designs, more data types that we're seeing that are coming at us faster in more volume, how do we work with our partners to solve for some of those problems? We can't all do it internally, and we really need help and support from the people we work with.